Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Test case PowerPoint branches of physics. Okay, this is first slide. In second slide, kinematics. Okay, when we pause this video for a second, we can easily read the contents of this slide. Okay, this was second slide. Now we come towards the third slide. Third slide, dynamics is defined. Okay, when we stop or pause this video for a second, we can easily read all contents of this slide. Okay, now we move on to next slide. Next slide, statics. Okay, when we pause this slide for when we pause this video for a second, we can easily read the contents. Okay, in next slide, geophysics and aerophysics. Okay, when we pause this video for a second, we can easily read the whole contents. Okay, in next slide, high energy physics and astronomy is defined. Okay, so this is test case, just testing. Okay, astrophysics and biophysics. In next slide, particle physics and plasma physics. In next slide, solid state physics. In next slide, quantum mechanics. This is not appropriate. Perhaps there may be some difficulty in reading this slide. Its font is small. Actually, this material should be included in 2 slides. Okay, in our regular videos, we will keep this thing in mind. This is just test case in which this slide is not appearing appropriate. No doubt contents of this video have already been uploaded on my SlideShare account. However, in next our videos, we will keep this point in mind that font should be appropriate, so that a student or a viewer or a learner can read the contents easily. Okay, now we move to next slide. In next slide, quantum electronics and quantum electrodynamics is included, and its font is quite okay. There is no difficulty in reading contents of this slide. Okay, now we move on to next slide. In next slide, quantum optics and radiation physics is defined, and its font is also quite okay. There is no difficulty in reading the contents of this slide. Now we move on to next slide, in which celestial mechanics and matrix mechanics is defined, and its font is also okay. No difficulty can be observed in reading the contents of this slide. Okay, now we move on to next slide. In next slide, seismology and statistical mechanics is defined, and font of this slide is also quite okay. A student or a viewer or a listener or a learner cannot face any difficulty in reading the contents of this slide. Okay, in next slide, health physics is defined, and its font is also quite satisfactory, quite okay. No difficulty in understanding this. In next slide, medical physics is described and its font is relatively small. It is not appropriate. In our next videos, in our next slides, we will keep this thing in mind that font of a slide should be appropriate so that a student or a learner or a viewer can easily uh, read the contents of this slide. Moreover, this portion is not visible due to camera setting. This thing should also be kept in mind in next our videos. Okay, we should keep this thing in mind that lower right corner of our slide should be empty and there should not be any reading material. Okay, in next slide theoretical physics is defined and its font is quite okay. There is no difficulty in reading this slide. Okay, now we move on to next slide.